Hello, I'm Alexia Chatziparasidou, Senior Clinical Embryology Consultant with an experience of over 60,000 IVF cycles. Embryolab Fertility Clinic is your premier choice for international fertility care, based in Thessaloniki, Greece. With a team of over 100 committed professionals, we provide personalized fertility treatments. Our high success rates only reflect our high expertise and advanced lab and clinical approaches. Our international department of coordinators will guide you and support you throughout your entire fertility journey. To ensure your convenience, we offer virtual consultations through a well-designed platform, making access to expert advice hassle-free no matter where you are. Join us on this transformative path to parenthood no matter where in the world you are. Your parenthood journey is just one step away, and Embryolab is by your side. Can I travel with my medications? Absolutely. If you're traveling abroad for IVF treatment, here's few essential tips. First, check travel regulations and, if needed, make sure you have your doctor's note explaining their purpose. Second, proper storage. Pack your medications with their original packaging and in your carry-on luggage. Temperature-sensitive medications may require additional precautions. Third, documentation. Make sure that you always carry a copy of your prescriptions. Fourth, time zone adjustments. Plan your medication schedule around the time zone changes to ensure consistency. Fifth, contact information. Have your clinic's contact details handy in case of emergency or questions while abroad. Safe travels and best of luck on your IVF journey. Question: when I travel, how long would I need to stay in the area? Great question. The duration of your stay when traveling abroad for IVF treatment can vary depending on several factors, such as the specific treatment protocol and your medical needs. Here are some key pointers. In case you choose to have the whole treatment at the clinic, you might need to arrive a few days before your treatment begins. Typically, for an IVF treatment, it takes around 2 to 4 weeks from starting medication to egg retrieval and embryo transfer. Alternatively, you may also start your treatment while at home with the support and guidance of your dedicated coordinator and treatment doctor. In this case, you will need to travel to the clinic only for the egg retrieval and embryo transfer procedures, which means a stay of 7 to 10 days maximum. Never forget to check your travel plans with your fertility clinic. Safe travels and wishing you success on your IVF journey. What accommodations do you offer? At Embryolab, we prioritize the importance of creating a comfortable and supporting environment for our IVF patients. Throughout your IVF journey, you'll have a dedicated patient care coordinator by your side. The coordinator will assist you with appointment scheduling, travel logistics, and promptly address any questions you may have. Additionally, your dedicated coordinator will assist you in finding suitable accommodation near our clinic, offering you a wide range of options from hotels to serviced apartments, ensuring convenience during your stay. Embryolab provides beneficial pricing options for accommodation to further support you. To ensure a stress-free experience, we offer airport transfer services for our patients, ensuring a smooth arrival and departure. Don't hesitate to reach out to us to learn more about how we can provide the support you need on this path to parenthood. Other tests that I could do near me, how would this work? Absolutely. When traveling abroad for IVF treatment, you might be able to do some tests near your location. Here's how it works. Before your trip, our fertility expert will work with you to identify which tests can be done locally. We will provide you with a detailed list of the required tests and their specific instructions. Reach out to a local healthcare provider, lab or diagnostic center to schedule the tests, and once you have the test results, share them securely through our Embryolab app. Your dedicated doctor will then review the test results and confirm whether any additional tests are needed before your IVF treatment. Doing tests locally for sure can save time and effort, making the IVF journey smoother. Remember to communicate always openly with Embryolab to ensure proper coordination. Wishing you all the best on your IVF journey. Question: what appointments should I be there for in person? Great question. While some aspects of IVF treatment can be done remotely nowadays, certain appointments require in-person attendance. Here's what you need to know. Depending on your individual case, your doctor might need to perform physical examinations, ultrasounds or other tests to you or your partner. These will require in-person visits. In some cases, you may need to be at the clinic during the ovarian stimulation phase when closer monitoring is needed. Egg retrieval procedure is an essential in-person appointment typically done under sedation at the clinic. The same goes for embryo transfer, where you will need also to be physically present at the clinic to undergo this critical but so beautiful procedure. After the transfer, you might have follow-up appointments for monitoring and support. Always remember, your fertility clinic will guide you through the process and let you know which appointments require your presence. Wishing you a successful and safe IVF journey. Can I do consultations remotely? Absolutely. Many fertility clinics offer remote or virtual consultations for IVF patients traveling abroad. Here's what you need to know. Before the virtual appointment, make sure to gather all your medical history, test results, and any relevant information to share with your doctor. During the virtual consultation, your doctor will assess your individual needs, discuss treatment options with you, and create a personal treatment plan for you. Always stay in touch with your fertility clinic through email or phone calls to address any concerns or questions you may have during your treatment abroad. Virtual consultations provide flexibility and convenience, making it much easier for patients traveling for IVF treatment. Wishing you a successful journey. Does my partner need to travel with me? Whether your partner needs to accompany you depends on your individual circumstances. In general, having your partner by your side through your IVF treatment can provide emotional support and bonding. Only during egg collection, your partner's presence is considered essential, as he may need to produce sperm for fertilization. However, if your partner cannot travel due to work or other commitments, shipment of his cryopreserved sperm may be a better option for you. Discuss your options with our fertility experts and choose what is best for you and your partner. Wishes for a successful IVF journey. What questions should you ask a clinic when traveling abroad? At Embryolab, we welcome patients from over 140 countries. Based on my experience, I would start with the clinic success rates for IVF treatments, especially in cases similar to yours. Check if the clinic is certified and meets all the international quality standards. Ask about the clinic's experience in handling international patients. Discuss the available treatment options and whether they are aligned with your specific needs and preferences. Get a detailed breakdown of all the treatment costs. Ensure the clinic provides communication in your preferred language. Ask whether assistance with travel arrangements, visa and accommodation is provided. Understand in detail the country's legal frame. Choosing the right clinic can make a significant difference in your IVF journey. How do you suggest I tell work that I need time off for this? Discussing your need for time off for IVF treatment with your workplace can be a delicate matter. Here are some tips. Know your rights. Familiarize yourself with workplace policies, laws regarding medical leave to ensure you are aware of your rights. Plan ahead. Schedule a meeting with your supervisor in advance to discuss your situation and treatment plans. Privacy matters. Remember, you are not obliged to disclose intimate details. You can simply mention that you require medical treatment and will need some time off. Clear communication. Clearly outline the duration of your time off you may need and explore the possibility of remote work arrangements if this is possible. Documentation support. If required, Embryolab can provide you with a medical certificate or supporting documentation for your leave. Supportive environment. Infertility patients need the support of both the work environment and national policies. You are our priority. Will my embryos be stored there if I end up getting a few? Absolutely. At Embryolab, preserving your precious embryos is an integral part of our commitment to your IVF journey. Here's what you can expect. If you have surplus embryos after your treatment, rest assured that they can be safely cryopreserved and stored for as long as you wish. Our state-of-the-art cryo-storage facilities ensure secure and reliable storage for your embryos until you are ready to use them. It is important to note that in Greece, there are no restrictions on the storage duration of your embryos, providing you with flexibility and peace of mind. Via our advanced electronic platform, we will keep you well informed about the status of your embryos on an annual basis, ensuring transparency and good communication. The well-being of your frozen embryos is of paramount importance to us, and we strive to provide the highest possible level of care for them. Feel free to reach out to us for any additional information or questions you may have. Is it okay to fly during cycle and after the embryo transfer? Flying during an IVF cycle and after the embryo transfer is generally considered safe for most cases. During ovarian stimulation, under normal circumstances, traveling is allowed as long as the treatment or monitoring schedule is not interrupted while traveling. After the embryo transfer, typically traveling is allowed 1 or 2 days after the transfer procedure. Please always remember to check your travel plans with your doctor. Consider the duration and comfort of your flight to minimize stress and physical strain. Stay hydrated and take care of your well-being. Avoid heavy lifting and excessive physical exertion. Stay consistent with your prescribed medication for the best possible outcomes. Safe travels and wishing you the best on your pathway to parenthood. What can I expect costs to be more or less? When considering the cost of an IVF treatment while traveling abroad, it is essential to keep in mind that the expenses can fluctuate based on several factors. Treatment packages at Embryolab IVF treatment packages are comprehensive, including consultation, ultrasounds, egg retrieval, and embryo transfer. We also provide options for oocyte and embryo donation where needed. Medication costs. The price of medications required during the treatment can vary depending on the specific type and dosage prescribed. Cost of additional services such as genetic testing, embryo freezing, or genetic counseling are available upon request. Travel and accommodation. You should budget for travel expenses, including airfare, accommodation, and meals during your stay abroad for the treatment. To gain a clear understanding of the expected expenses, it is always advisable to request a detailed breakdown of the costs. Overall, the cost of an IVF treatment at Embryolab Greece is much more affordable compared to what is expected in countries such as USA and Canada.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. We had an amazing Q&A session with everyone. A big thank you to Cyril and IVF Warrior for their warm invitation and hospitality. For more details about Embryolab, please visit embryolab.eu. Feel free to connect with us on social media at Embryolab Fertility Clinic. We are here to offer support and assistance whenever you need, addressing all your IVF-related inquiries and concerns. We would be thrilled to welcome you to Embryolab Greece for your IVF treatment. Thank you.